Alright guys, so I decided to make a couple videos on how to stream OBS and your DAW together for musicians, okay? It's going to be 3 videos and I'm going to show you everything you're going to need in order to get this to work, okay? The reason why I made this video, or this series rather, is because I couldn't really find any good info on YouTube. I found a few videos that were pretty informative for how to do this, but nobody put like the total package together. So I'm going to run you through how you got to set up your DAW, set up your interface, and how to set up this guy right here, ASIO Link Pro. This is the program that's going to actually communicate your DAW and OBS together. This builds the bridge in essence. All right. So let me take you from step 1 and let's run over all the stuff you're gonna need. Okay. So again, this is all from my experience. So hardware needed. Okay. The hardware that you're gonna need, of course, you're gonna need a computer. You're gonna need an audio interface. I use the Focusrite 18i20, the 2nd generation. That works fine for me. You're going to need some XLR cables, stands, drums, or whatever type instrument you're trying to put a mic on. You'll need like a webcam, you know, usual stuff, okay? Now, software needed, you're going to need, this is for Windows 10, of course, 64, and you're going to need ASIO Link Pro, this guy right over here. You're going to need a DAW. In this case, I'm using Reaper. Both of these programs you can pick them up for free. And with ASIO Link Pro in particular, you can use the whole entire thing for free. However, like after a minute, I think it blocks out the audio for like 5 or 10 seconds, and then it brings it back to normal. Now with Reaper, they give you like I think it's like 60 days to evaluate the program, and then after that point, they ask that, hey, you know, support us, and then you have to buy it. Okay. Focusrite Control. This comes with your audio interface. If you're getting another interface, I'm sure you're going to get some other type of software that comes along with it. I can't really help with that, but if you do get this one, then sure, we can work things out, and I can guide you in the right path. And of course, you're going to need the latest version of OBS. The one that I'm running, of course, is 21.1, and you'll need, of course, your Windows sound settings. And that's it. Those are all the programs you're going to need in order to get this thing working. Okay. Now, the reason why you want to use your DAW in the first place is you're going to get the best possible sound you can get for your viewers. So if you care about quality and stuff, then again, you came to the right series. I'm going to put you on the right track, okay? Now, let's talk a little bit about where do you get this stuff from, all right? So in order to find OBS Studio, you're just going to go into your search engine. You're going to type in this bad boy right here, OBS Studio Download. And you're just going to click the very first one. Okay. You'll scroll down, and you're just going to click this. All the programs, when I got them, I downloaded them in their default location. So if you just do the same, we'll be on the same page. You'll be good to go. So you're going to grab this guy. You're going to download OBS. Now for Reaper, you're going to type in Reaper DAW download. You're going to find it right here. You're going to scroll on down. Oh, new version came out. I'm using 5.77. Okay. You're going to click right over here, and you're going to download the 64-bit version. It's pretty easy to do. And now this is going to be the hardest one to download. You're going to have to do some research where to find this program, but essentially it's Deus ASIO Link Pro, okay? Now the main site to go to is this one right here, but it actually, I think it was like 2 or 3 days ago, the site went down. So if we open it, yeah, you get this service unavailable. I know this is a big bummer, okay? Like there's nothing I can do, but I'm sure there's other ways to find the software. So if you can find it and you can grab this, then we're going to be good. And pretty much, yeah, that's all I have to say for now. Get all of these programs and then watch the next 2 videos, which are going to be very long. I think they're both going to be like 20-minute plus videos. So check those out and we'll go over everything. And soon enough, you're going to be streaming your whole entire instrument straight over to Twitch, YouTube, Hitbox, Facebook Live, whatever platform. And trust me, I'm gonna save you a lot of time. I spent a good 100 hours easily trying to figure this out, and it was painful. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and God bless.